IPM conference is one of those conferences that I always look forward to being part of. One of the benefits for me is it really gives you an opportunity to listen and learn from different speakers, from different experiences, and really add to your own profession as an HR profession. This is the same event that has made me to be who I am today. And I'm one of the speakers, and my focus will be all about the value that HR, the impact that HR provide within organization. How do we demonstrate our impact within organizations? And I think that's what will make our businesses tomorrow be respected for what we stand for. And I think if your organization can, and even on your own, if you can make this opportunity to come and hear what other speakers got to say and the shift of where HR is today and the leadership role that HR is playing in organizations, make use of this opportunity. And I can tell you every year that I've been part of, I've really gained so much. And I think I'm a better HR profession today because of the value I got into events such as IPM.